This is Haley with Nexus Property Management, here at 40 Winter Street, Fall River, Mass. Second floor apartment. This is a 1-bedroom unit. Here we are in the living room. Got some nice windows. Space heater for your heating unit. And right to the side of the living room is the pretty large 1-bedroom. Really nice windows in here as well. Has a storage closet in here. Going back towards the living room, you'll find a bathroom right inside of these nice cute doors. We have a medicine cabinet, some really good light in there as well. Storage underneath, a full bath and shower. Also in the living room, it's a really nice closet for storage. Really good shelving in there. A lot of extra space. And then moving through the living room, to the left-hand side of the bathroom is the kitchen. This unit does come with the refrigerator and the stove. I think we got some good cabinet space in here as well. Also on top of the fridge. Again, this is a 1-bedroom apartment in Fall River, Massachusetts, managed by Nexus Property Management.